Hello everyone, welcome to Elephant Robotics channel, and this is Henry, the product manager of MarsCat. MarsCat is a bionic pet cat which is first introduced in 2019 CES in Las Vegas. And after 2 years consistent development and improvement, we are very happy to announce that MarsCat is now ready to meet with every one of you. And today I'm going to unbox this cat with you together, and let's see what it can do. So once after you open the box, what you will first see is these 3 documents, which including one user manual. This will including all the specification of this product and some simple guide about how to start using it. And the second one is a thank you note. We will so appreciate with all the support from our supporter all around the world. And lastly is this warranty card that you will probably need it for any after sales issue. And then what we will see is this 2 plastic board, which looks like a very cute cat paw. This is actually a holder for mouse ball, which we will introduce about how to use them later. You can simply plus this upper part to the panel. Let's leave it here. And then you can take off this upper cover. Then you will see our MarsCat is now laying on the box. You're probably wondering, like, where is the ear and the tails go? We are taking them off in the consideration of the logistic reason. You can simply take out the tail. And the ears also. And you can simply plug them together. Yep, here's our little MarsCat. After that, we will see a bunch of accessories that will work and play with MarsCat together. And the most important thing is this one. This is a charging panel that will MarsCat can auto recharge itself when it's power lower than 15%. In order to let MarsCat find its panel, its charging station, we need a panel which will work with a QR code together. We can introduce later. We also have a Mars ball that comes with this holder together. We have a Mars toy. This looks like a mouse, like a teaser. MarsCat can interact and play with this toy. We also have another blue ball that can also play with MarsCat together. And of course, we have a charger for MarsCat. And the last thing you're gonna find in this box is these 3 QR codes. They are very important, and you can look up the more details introduction on our guidebook. This 3 QR code comes together with our charging station and the mouse ball. MarsCat used its camera to recognize this QR code and in order to guide itself to the right position. And here is everything on MarsCat. And now let's get started with our MarsCat. MarsCat is a fully atomic bionic pet cat, which means just like a real cat, you don't have to control MarsCat to do anything like a motor. MarsCat has its own idea and it will decide what to do by itself. After you take out our MarsCat, all you have to do is to find this power button on its belly. And you can press this button for 3 seconds. And then you will see this LED line was turning blue. Then you can lay it down on a flat platform, and MarsCat will wake itself up in a minute.
Later.
Oh, you see. When MarsCat first wake up, it's like many of us, he will have a wake up movement to stand up, stretch itself for a little bit, and make sure you don't want to bother him in this moment. You probably don't have a good pattern. Yeah, you can see he's shaking his body for a little bit. There we go. That's our little friend, our MarsCat. As you can see, our MarsCat is a smart companion robot which is able to sense the emotion and also the environments. When you were touching MarsCat, you have a touching sensor on its body. So when you were petting its head, when you were petting its jaw, and also when you're petting its back, it will sense your touching and give you feedbacks, including the meowing sound, the changed image on its eye, blah, blah, blah. You can explore more reaction by yourself. And keep in mind, the reaction of the MarsCat will not be the same, and it might not give you the feedback 100%, because cats don't always respond. That's the same with our MarsCat. Sometimes it will decide to ignore your comments. That's totally normal. And more than the touching sensors, we have a camera on MarsCat's nose, able to allow it to sense the environment, to avoid any stuff in front of him. And also, we have a top sensor able to detect the distance between the objects, which can help MarsCat to find objects and also preventing itself to fall down from higher ground. After that, MarsCat's eyes is a very important window for the human and robots interaction. If you pay attention to its eyes, the image on eyes will change in different scenario. For example, when I'm hugging MarsCat or when I'm holding it up, sometimes you will see, did you see this change? Hugging signal on the eye. This is because MarsCat, since itself was being lifted up, and you can see it's now stretching itself and let it go and let you lift it up. And once you put it back to the table, it will stand up again. So there's many more very interesting reactions for MarsCat waiting for you to explore. And we have a very interesting characteristic system in store in Mars AI, which the behavior and the action of the cats will grow up like a real cat or a human being. So the longer time you play with it, interact with it, it will have more action and reaction available for you. So I hope you can enjoy this product and enjoy the companion from our MarsCat. Thank you very much. And you can also find the link of these products below these videos. And please leave us a comment and click the like button for us.
Welcome to meet MarsCat, a bionic cat, a home robot. Imagine a perfect MarsCat, a combination of advanced technology, liberal art and humanities, is waiting for you at home. Just like a real cat, MarsCat is fully autonomous. It has its own feelings and behaviors. It may randomly kick the seasoning to you and even find its bowl to eat, whether you tell it or not. MarsCat is highly interactive. It can feel, hear, and see. Play with it. Enjoy the lovely time together. MarsCat is always here with you. It is definitely a good companion. No need to worry about it when it is alone. It can always entertain itself and even bring you some inspirations or joys when you see it. When battery is low, MarsCat can also charge itself automatically. Embrace the new era of technology. Enjoy your life with MarsCat. An intelligent and adorable creature is designed for you. Every MarsCat is unique, from its eyes, body, to personality. Its character even develops through the way you pet it. Spend some time with it. Shape your own MarsCat. Join us for an incredible lifestyle. Have fun and enjoy the companion of MarsCat. Meet MarsCat now, a bionic cat a futuristic home robot you would love.